So once you've filled in your house with all the different types of fills, what we can do is start adding some sort of realistic looking bits to it. And we've got the 3D warehouse, so just here it says get models, and you can kind of type in whatever you want. So I'm going to find some windows for my house, and we kind of want it, like I said, to be as sort of realistic as possible. So find a window that's kind of similar to what you've got. So that's kind of similar to mine. And you can press the button and it says you want to load this into SketchUp. If you want some more details, you can actually just click into the thing there and it will kind of show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and download that. Lovely, and there it is. Okay, so I'm just going to place it where I think it should go. And at the moment it's kind of not quite the right size, so I can use my resize tool up here, or scale tool, and just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, now at this point it's worth just orbiting around because sometimes it doesn't go exactly where you think. Can you see there, it's slightly out, so it looked right there but it's hanging off the side of my wall. So what I can do is I'm going to go side on here, and it's important you get the right side, and I'm going to select the window and I'm going to use the move tool. I'm going to put it back into the wall. Okay. Now again, I'm just going to orbit around and just see where that's ended up. Okay, so can you see it's gone a bit crazy there? So that's no good. That's why we use the orbit tool. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to try this time going from the top like that. Okay, so I'm going to position my house the best I can, so I'm not like directly over it, almost like a bird's eye view. And we'll try and move our window back into the wall. Okay, let's have a look at that. Okay, that's looking better. Good. So that's it, that's in the right place. Now you will find, because you're importing a model into SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D environment, and remember you're on a 2D screen. The computer often doesn't really know where you want a particular model to go. So that's why you have to sometimes go for side on or bird's eye views in order to move things. And you might find that you have to move something a little bit, change the view, move it again, okay? You have to be quite patient, but it will go as long as you get the right view. Okay, but I'd certainly recommend using things like the bird's eye view and also the side-on view to move things precisely.